Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Jessica.
Hey guys, I am Mike.
So today's topic is something that almost every beginner asks us about: how to improve English speaking at home. And honestly, Mike, I love this topic because most people think they need expensive courses, foreign trips, or a native speaker friend to improve.
Exactly, and the funny thing is, most of the real improvement actually happens when you're alone at home, not in a classroom, not in a big seminar. At home, in your room, maybe even in your pajamas.
Yes, and today we're going to break it down step by step in a very simple, beginner-friendly way. No complicated grammar, no pressure, just practical things you can start doing today.
So if you're listening right now and thinking, my English is weak, or I feel shy, or I don't have anyone to practice with, this episode is for you.
All right, let's start with the first big mindset shift. Improving English at home starts with one decision. You must allow yourself to speak badly in the beginning.
Oh yes, this is important. Most beginners don't speak because they're waiting to be perfect, but fluency doesn't come from perfection, it comes from practice.
Exactly. When a baby learns to talk, they don't worry about grammar, they just try. They say wrong words, they repeat, they fall, they stand up again.
Imagine if a baby said, "Oh no, my sentence structure is incorrect." That would be funny.
Yes. So first rule, don't aim for perfect English. Aim for spoken English. Now let's talk about practical steps. Step 1. Talk to yourself daily.
Some people might think that sounds strange.
It does sound strange at first, but it works. When you talk to yourself, you remove fear. There's no one judging you, no one correcting you.
Start simple. When you wake up, say, "Good morning. Today I will practice English." When you brush your teeth, describe what you're doing. "I am brushing my teeth. The water is cold."
When you're cooking, say, "I am cutting vegetables. I am making tea." It sounds basic, but this builds confidence and vocabulary automatically.
And here's a trick. Don't translate from your language every time. Try to think directly in English, even if it's simple.
Yes, keep sentences short. Don't try to speak like a news reporter. Speak like a beginner. That's okay. Now, step 2, use the mirror technique.
Oh, this one is powerful.
Stand in front of a mirror and speak for 2 to 5 minutes daily. Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. Introduce yourself again and again.
Hi, my name is Mike. I am learning English. I want to improve my speaking.
When you look at yourself while speaking, you become aware of your expressions, your confidence, your body language. It prepares you for real conversations.
And yes, at first you'll feel awkward. You might laugh at yourself.
That's normal. I still laugh sometimes.
Me too, especially when I forget a word and just stare at myself.
But that's growth. Awkward practice creates confident results. Now, step 3, listen and repeat.
This is how you improve pronunciation. Choose short English videos or podcasts. Listen to one sentence, pause, repeat it, copy the tone, copy the rhythm.
Don't just read subtitles silently. Speak along. Your mouth muscles need practice. Speaking is physical, not just mental.
Exactly. English has a rhythm. If you only study grammar, you'll sound robotic.
So shadow native speakers. Copy how they stress words. For example, "I really want to improve." Notice the stress.
Yes, stress changes meaning, and when you repeat daily, your pronunciation improves naturally.
Now, step 4, learn useful daily sentences. Beginners often try to memorize big vocabulary lists. That's not effective. Instead, learn real-life sentences you can use every day.
Like, what do you mean? Can you repeat that? I'm not sure. Let me think.
These small phrases make you sound fluent because they help you continue conversation even when you're thinking.
That's true. Fluency is not about big words, it's about flow.
Exactly. Now, step 5, record yourself.
Oh, this one is scary.
Yes, but powerful. Record a 1-minute audio about your day. Then listen to it. Notice your mistakes. Notice where you stop.
At first, you might think, oh no, I sound terrible.
We all felt that. Even I did. But listening to yourself helps you improve faster than guessing your mistakes.
And the best part, you'll hear your progress after a few weeks.
That's so motivating. Now let's talk about daily routine. Many beginners ask, how many hours should I practice?
Honestly, even 20 to 30 minutes daily is enough if you're consistent.
Consistency is more important than intensity. 1 hour once a week is less effective than 20 minutes every day.
Think of it like exercise. You can't go to the gym once a month and expect six-pack abs.
I wish it worked that way.
Me too.
So create a simple daily routine. 5 minutes speaking to yourself, 5 minutes listening and repeating, 5 minutes mirror practice, 5 minutes learning new sentences.
That's 20 minutes. Anyone can do that.
Exactly. Now let's address fear. Many beginners say, I understand English, but I can't speak.
That's because understanding is passive, speaking is active.
You must force yourself to produce language, even if it's broken.
Don't wait for confidence. Confidence comes after action, not before.
That's powerful.
Thank you. I practiced that line in the mirror.
See? Practice works. Now let's talk about environment. Change your home environment into an English zone.
Put sticky notes on objects. Write door, window, mirror, table.
Change your phone language to English.
Watch simple English content daily, not complicated movies. Start with slow, clear speakers.
And talk about what you watch. After watching a short video, explain it in your own words.
Even if you say only 3 sentences, that's progress.
Exactly. Now here's something important. Don't compare yourself with advanced speakers.
Yes, comparison kills motivation.
Compare yourself with yesterday's version of you. That's it.
If yesterday you couldn't speak for 30 seconds and today you can speak for 1 minute, that's success.
Celebrate small wins.
And reward yourself, maybe with chocolate.
Always chocolate. All right, everyone, let's give a simple practice example for beginners listening right now.
Okay, topic, my daily routine.
Start simple. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I drink tea. I go to work.
Then expand slowly. I wake up at 7 a.m. because I start work at 9. After brushing my teeth, I check my phone.
See? Step-by-step expansion. That's how fluency grows.
Not by memorizing 50 difficult words.
Exactly. Now, before we finish, let's summarize the key points.
Speak daily, even alone.
Use the mirror technique.
Listen and repeat.
Learn useful daily sentences.
Record yourself.
Stay consistent.
And don't fear mistakes.
Improving English at home is possible. Thousands of learners have done it. You can too.
And remember, fluency is a journey, not a one-day result.
So start today. After this episode ends, don't just say, that was nice. Do one exercise, just one.
Even if it's just talking to yourself for 2 minutes.
Because action creates improvement.
And improvement creates confidence.
And confidence helps you speak better English.
Look at that, full circle.
We planned that perfectly.
Totally not scripted.
Maybe a little.
Okay, maybe a lot.
All right, everyone. Thank you for listening. Remember, you don't need a perfect environment. You just need practice and patience.
Keep speaking, keep improving.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye, everyone.